Hello, I'm here with three of our 2025 JGI-UC Merced Internship Program participants this year, and we are here to hear a little bit about what the program is like from some of our students.
I am Adil Afagwaiba. I'm an incoming fourth-year PhD student in the Quantitative and Systems Biology grad group. I think for me, the experience has been definitely insightful. I've been able to make connections with people that I usually would not probably have met in the real world or the real life. And so I've been able to get some insights, some advice career-wise. We had a career mentor week where we were able to pick mentors that we were interested in to talk to. And I think that was really helpful for me because it sort of put things into perspective for me going forward and making me kind of understand what I want to do on the long term.
I'm Masato Terasaki. I'm a fifth-year PhD candidate in the Applied Math department at UC Merced. So I think joining JGI, as I was talking to other people, usually they say working at the lab or interning at the lab is a mix of academia and industry. And I wanted to experience that myself to see if it's true. I'm in love with research, and I think this is why I'm doing a PhD. But at the same time, I like to apply what I'm researching in a real-life problem. So being able to work on a project that has actual impact, and I think JGI is a user facility, so kind of seeing how your work would be, used by other people around the globe was kind of powerful to me.
Hi, my name is Sarai Maeda. I'm an upcoming fourth year as an undergrad at UC Merced, and my major is microbiology and immunology. I came to the internship to try new things, and I think I would give that advice to anyone who's applying. Just apply, especially as an undergrad. It's a good opportunity. Go to all the workshops that are available. Go to all the science forums. I've really enjoyed going to those. I've gone and eaten lunch with different people that I've never met before to see what they're doing in their research. I've done a lot of networking, and I've been given a lot of opportunities to talk to different people, and I think anyone who's applying and anyone who gets into the internship should take advantage of that. I've personally, I've gotten names of people who I could apply for grad school with, great advice of oh, this person is really nice, this person does this research that you find interesting, and I think that's a good opportunity that anyone should really take advantage of.
I think the fact that UC Merced and JGI has a partnership, I think UC Merced students should definitely apply. I think I had a lot of imposter syndrome. I was I'm at Merced, I don't think I can apply to Berkeley lab. But I think you should definitely apply. I applied 2 years ago, I didn't get in, it wasn't the timing. And then 2 years from there, I'm here. So yeah.